Before putting your baby to sleep, change their diaper and feed them so they are as comfortable as possible. Put the baby in some soft pajamas to keep them warm. After dressing your baby, you may find that rocking your baby, singing quiet songs, or bouncing your baby gently in your arms will help them relax. When your baby is starting to show signs of being tired, such as fussiness or droopy eyes, lay them down on their back in their crib. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that healthy babies be put to sleep on their backs to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. If your baby is under 2 months old, you can swaddle them to imitate the cozy, confined feelings of the mother's womb, which many babies find relaxing. Stop swaddling them once they are more than 2 months of age, since swaddling restricts the baby's movements. Once your baby is safely on their back, inside their crib, turn off the lights and try turning on a fan or a white noise machine or app, which helps soothe babies and block out noises that can keep them awake. Keep in mind that no matter what you try, your baby is likely to wake up a few times during the night. They also might not be able to go to sleep when you put them down. If your baby is having trouble falling asleep or getting back to sleep after waking up, try singing to them, rocking them in your arms, changing their diaper, feeding them again if they're hungry, or walking around the house, gently bouncing them, possibly while wearing them in a sling or carrier. To help your baby sleep more easily, maintain a consistent routine and start it at the same time each night.